here's what we have before us. We have Netflix, and it's a daily chart. One of the things that we're going to talk about on the daily chart is what has Netflix done is it's created a complete reversal through the 20. The white line is the 50, and the 10-day is descending, and it also has a 4-day daily sell signal. This is what happens when Netflix gets into the sell signal. They like to go down. And once again, we have just now tiptoed into that mode with Netflix. On the weekly chart, I'm going to make it very clear. The 10-week moving average is 436. That means here is what's going to happen. This lower weekly bar right here, where I put my thing right here, that's the wick. And we're going to be monitoring tomorrow what the part of this particular area right here is, that resistance area. So what I am going to do on the weekly, though, is I've got to do this so you can clearly see it. We are going to have a resistance. So we're going to do the put side of the market. And we're going to know that when this thing goes up here, that is a wall of resistance on this weekly. Now, here's another thing, too. Let's be clear about this weekly. I want to show you that for this calendar year of 214, here's 2013 with the rising 10-week. But let me just show you what really it looks like when it works. Over here, when that 10-week started to turn, and each time it failed up there at the 10-week, here we're just now starting that turn. And not only that, I would say that the low was 412. 435 was a high on Friday, and 412 was a low. And we violated. So you can clearly see that when this thing started below that 10-week, it took out all the stock market orders all the way down. So that's what the weekly looks like. So we're very excited about it. I just will show everybody what Netflix looks like on a monthly. Okay? And here's what Netflix looks like on a monthly chart. We just want to make it clear that this particular chart right here is that the 10-month moving average, and I'm going to give that number out, that's at 396. That's that blue line. And basically, we just started off this way. That's ultimately the longer-term support level at the 10-month, and we'll be trading calls and puts around it. So I'm going to conclude that. And not only that, we'll do the call and put strategy tomorrow morning in pre-market.